Hey guys, welcome to a video, well another one, because it's my third video, and today I have some squishies to review, and they are really squishy, but some of them are defected, because I've had them a while, so let's get off. So the first squishy I have is a Pat Pat Zoo replica, but not really a replica, but it's a small version. It's really slow rising, as you can tell. There are some air bubbles like around here. I try not to squish them because sometimes they stay down. My friend always likes to squish here and there, don't know why. Like it's big squishy. There are a couple of defects, but that doesn't matter because a squishy is a squishy. And so let's get on to the other squishy. So this is one of my favourite squishies. It's the unicorn squishy because it's really soft and yeah. But the bad thing is we have some defects here and up here, but that doesn't matter. And so I'm just gonna squish squishy just so you can see if it's focusing. Don't know. And I love this squishy so much. Like yeah. So go on to the other one. So this one is kind of a friendship thing between me and my two friends. I won't name them because that's personal information, but we all have the same one, and it easily gets defects, but that doesn't matter because it it smells really nice. So does my other two squishies, but it's like a pastel rainbow with his squishiness. It's a strawberry, if you cannot tell. It's very soft and that's squishy. And onto my next squishy is an owl. His squishiness really soft as a flower bed. Really squishy and slow rising. I have a couple of defects there, but there are air bubbles there, which is a bad thing. But it's like a galaxy owl. And yeah, so wait there. Just go and get my last squishy. And this is my last squishy. The bad thing is some people ruined it and made it really defective, as you could tell. Yeah, I hate this movie. But it's Peach because this is what my friend gave me, and we're no longer at the same school because we've moved to different schools. And it was the only thing basically to remind me of her, and they came and ruined it, which got me really annoyed. This is the squishiness. It was really nice before before they came and destroyed it. It's very defective, as you can see. So yeah, thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed. And when I post more videos, go check them out. and like and subscribe and comment what I should do next if I can. So bye.